Here's a 2018 Audi Q5. It looks sharp, drives smoothly, and handles twists and turns with ease. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Audi smartphone interface, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, power liftgate, leather bucket seats, and refrigerated box located in the glove box. Car and Driver reports all the Q5s come with electrically assisted power steering that actually has a sufficient amount of feedback for an SUV. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. Take it for a test drive today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.